here is already past by 12 o'clock. So, may regard here now to counter the position of my belief regarding matter out of disqualification of my time here now. So, the matter is ongoing. They choose candidates. With being candidate here with no pure God heart, that's an evil. So I'm asking to weigh my line here because this is my destiny. I'm doing also only here by making the world equal to creation. I'm talking about the eternal equation, I'm sorry. Eternal equation is a need, not only a must, but it's a need. You're talking about what the eternal equation? The pit is walking. So where he is going? When he walks to the Lord, he will find it. And his destiny of them family will be saved here. Our life is only a rug here. Unless we have faith in God. I don't believe all have body here is from God. Don't blame us. Don't think kuya. What I'm talking about, that body not glorified or other are glorified. Because they're using that body for greed. Doing people crazy about the job of them behind them. That's not equality there. That is slaveness. That is a slave. Slaving people. Only from that body to greed. And use people to come with them to their bed. It's an evil way. I masturbate here. I have no wife. Why I'm masturbating? It's for time only. I have a duration time if the libido brings me here. I'm not pointing people to my masturbation. I average masturbation for 1 week or 2 weeks. Or now, I'm sorry to God. I heard yesterday news that the 6 is better than morning. So I invest to that. But I think it's an evil for me. So, with regard to my COC or Certificate of Candidates, of Candidacy, I'm sorry. You give me time, Mr. Chairman, Brillantes. I believe you, whether you believe in me or not. The only way here is to counter the catastrophe coming here because of sin. And no question, it will happen. Because it's a God wrapped there. It's a destiny. Why? Because Satan was cursed by God because of this conspiracy. He's conspiring the people here from then to now upon the date of Cain, the business of Cain, and the glorified business of Abel. So regarding that matter about the sin, the nature here is moving here because of the nature of sin, of Satan. I'm sorry if I judge people here, but that's my justice to my life. I will not kill them or salvage them to death or I'm not doing crazy here. I'm only one here. I cannot do that. But I can call God to destruction of their mind, spirit. Because that's evil. I'm sorry because of the pace of the camera is of my talking here is about free talking. So I urge comrade, don't wait me, or I wait you. I don't wait you to restrain my time. It's time by God to access the world here. I'm talking here forward. I talk forward. Oh, I forward talk. Talk forward and so. So regarding this, I'm always like this with regard to the common traditional politician. It's agreed. People are also shouting for dynasty. They business the politics. What business is that? It's from Cain. So this is a bell business, and I have to comply with the Lord prospect of my life here to involve you to my destiny project, God. Thank you.